Initially also in the beginning of our episode that this is the only stream which is actually being overshadowed by other streams. I don't know about whether our viewers know about the scope of BA degree, but personally I would say that I'm also from a humanities background and I think I've done fairly good for myself. So if you can actually inform our viewers about the scope of pursuing a BA degree.
Definitely, Shweta, when we talk about the scope of arts, the question mark arises on everyone's face. Arts is no scope.
It's a time pass that a person is doing. Absolutely, because even I pursued it, the same thing came up to me. Yeah.
But I like to tell you is that though even I'm an arts graduate and then done PG diploma in career counseling, but and still facing a camera right now. So definitely one can understand that there is a tremendous scope. When we talk about scope, it's 50% in my control, 50% the opportunities that I get. The things that are in my control, I need to understand what is my interest, what are my aspirations, what specialization that I'm looking at that will suit me the best, and it will be easier for me to grasp the concept and apply it in the market. So more or less the scope when we are talking about it more depends on the person and the personality and as well the specializations that are there. Every specialization has a great scope. It depends where you apply that knowledge. If you take psychology, you can get into any of the counseling centers, rehabilitation centers, you can work with NGOs, you can you open your own clinic, then probably you can work with hospitals if you are a clinical person, clinical psychologist if you have done. You can work with schools, educational institutes.
You can take a criminal psychology.
Definitely, definitely. So it more or less depends on your specialization. How have you grasped the fundamentals, the theory, and then the life is really great for you. So this was all about psychology. Talking about economics also, you have with India becoming more commercialized, banking, finance, accounts, even economists play a very vital role when it comes to Indian economy. So definitely all these options are open in front of him. Stock bazaar is also one of the upcoming and the booming industry. You have market research, equity research, where an economist is given the first preference. So definitely being in arts also, an economy student can have a very bright future. Yeah. Definitely. Same about sociology, you have archaeology, anthropology. But one basic understanding that one needs to keep in mind is when we talk about arts related subject, it's going to be more of theory orientation. True. It's academic oriented course. So you should not expect, oh, I'm just studying. One needs to understand that it's going to be more of theory till the bachelor's level. Probably when you enter your master's, you get lots of practical orientation.
Then you have to sit with theses and all, yeah.
Definitely. Thesis will be a much later part when you do your PhDs and all. But when you enter the master's level, you have to complete a particular amount of cases with you. You need to have studied that 10 or 12 cases during that duration. So when you reach the master's level, definitely you will get practical orientation also. But when we talk till the theory level, you have till the graduation level, you will be just focusing more on the theoretical aspects only.
Okay.
So depending on the personality, depending on person's liking, interest, and aspiration to achieve a goal, you can select a specialization and move ahead and have a good scope in future.